Hey guys, are you want to buy best Wi-Fi thermometers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best Wi-Fi thermometers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, ThermoPro TP90 Wi-Fi Thermometer. ThermoPro's TP90 Wi-Fi Thermometer is the best performing thermometer model stated here in this list. Taking a look at its temperature range, it can detect temperatures between 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This should be more than enough for checking the temperature of any room in your room. Other than supporting a smartphone app, this ThermoPro thermometer can also work with Alexa. This can be done by connecting this thermometer to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Since this Wi-Fi thermometer is ideal for heavy-duty usage, ThermoPro features a 5-year-long warranty with it, making it the perfect option for long-term usage. At number 4, MOCREO Indoor Thermometer Hygrometer. MOCREO can be another great option if you are looking to get a Wi-Fi thermometer for monitoring multiple rooms within your home. Thanks to its multi-pack given here, the MOCREO Wi-Fi thermometer is one of the only options out there that offers multiple sensors in the box. To be exact, you will find a total of 3 sensors along with a hub in the box. With these sensors, you can take readings between the range of 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit with ease. As you would expect, the smartphone app of this hub-based Wi-Fi thermometer also offers alerts and better connectivity. This can be done over either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for checking temperature and humidity remotely. Similar to most other Wi-Fi thermometers, this MOCREO one also features a 1-year warranty. At number 3, Ideal Sciences TEMPSTICK Wireless. Ideal Sciences is a highly premium brand when it comes to measuring tools like its Wi-Fi thermometer stated here that includes a wide range of handy features for ease of use. This Ideal Sciences TEMPSTICK Wi-Fi thermometer is present in the 3rd position in this list because it is a high-end versatile option for many. Taking a look at its temperature range of 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it can be used for colder temperatures with ease. And as per its name, it is a stick-shaped Wi-Fi thermometer with an inbuilt temperature sensor. One of the most unique features of this Wi-Fi thermometer is that it supports text and email alerts along with remote monitoring support, which justified its price. It also offers a 1-year-long battery life for connecting to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Being a premium Wi-Fi thermometer, you also get a 3-year-long warranty. And our second product is Inkbird Wi-Fi Grill Meat Thermometer. In case you are looking for a Wi-Fi thermometer made for cooking purposes, then you can consider Inkbird and its high-performance thermometer models like the one stated here. Inkbird's i4T Wi-Fi thermometer is present in the 2nd position in this list as it is the perfect option for checking the temperature of food items while using a grill or oven. Starting with its temperature, it is rated at 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, which is quite high. It is able to offer this range thanks to its included 4 probe sensors. Apart from having a smartphone app, you also get an inbuilt display in this Wi-Fi thermometer for quickly checking the temperature. Speaking of the app, its app uses the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi of your home network for easy monitoring. You also get a 2000 mAh battery inside this Wi-Fi thermometer for using it anywhere with ease. Now our last product is Govee Wi-Fi Thermometer Hygrometer. Govee is one of the most recently launched options out there when it comes to picking Wi-Fi thermometers and can be a great pick for those who are on a tight budget. The Govee Wi-Fi thermometer is present in the 1st position in this list since it is the cheapest option stated here. Even though it is a highly affordable Wi-Fi thermometer, you get a standard temperature range of 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit with it. This is possible thanks to its inbuilt temperature sensor with a sleek design. Other than showing you the temperature, it can also check the humidity of a given room with ease. As for its Wi-Fi support, you can use it on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network with its smartphone app that also supports Bluetooth. Because you also get a decent 1-year-long warranty with this Wi-Fi thermometer, you can expect it to last for a decent amount of time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.